welcome back to my channel. Trayleen Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. And be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Alright guys, I am back with another review on a luxury purchase I just did, okay? Let's normalize luxury for us black girls, okay? We deserve it. So I wanted to add a black classic bag to my collection, a black bag with gold hardware. What I recently purchased was the YSL St. Laurent Sunset bag in a large. This is the bag. It is the St. Laurent Sunset large bag. And this is what it is looking like with the gold shiny hardware. Now, I eyed this bag a while ago. I saw the bag at the St. Laurent store. It was actually in the smooth leather. This particular style bag, sunset bag, comes in 3 sizes. It comes in a wallet, the medium, and then the large. This is the large size. It also comes in different colors as well as finishes. This is the Croc finish in black with the shiny gold hardware. This particular bag is gorgeous and it fits my need to my collection and my wardrobe. I fell in love with the Croc because the Croc is just absolutely gorgeous with the shiny gold. I originally wanted the matte finish bag, but I opted for this Croc instead, and I'm in love with it. I can't deny it. I am in love with this bag. It just looks so luxurious with the shiny gold, as well as how the tone just pops off the Croc like so. Now, as far as pricing, this is the highest price sunset bag in the Croc finish. I think it's retail right now for $28.50. I was able to get a discount on this bag, not because it was on sale, because no. I mentioned this in my previous videos. I always shop using, Ebates. It's now called Rakuten.com. I was able to receive 10% off my purchase with just shopping through Rakuten. This is not a sponsored video. I don't get paid for this. I'm just telling you guys and sharing with you guys how I get discounted on my luxury purchases. And I'll go ahead and link my account information down below. If you click the link and sign up with Rakuten or Ebates, you get bonus points. I get bonus points. That's it. That's all. I don't make any money off this. This is not affiliated. This is not sponsored. I'm just sharing the information with you because, listen, who doesn't want to save money? And I want all my curl cousins to save money. So listen, your girl did not pay full price. Oh, no. We did not pay full price for this bag. So I'm so excited that I was able to save some money because we always want to leave coins in that near pocketbook, all right? I was able to pick this up from Bergdorf and Goodman online. I got it shipped 2-day shipping and came really fast. So I was excited about that. Availability for this bag was rare. So when I finally was able to find it on the Bergdorf and Goodman website, I snagged it. The durability of this bag is just insane. It is very structured. You can see that it has like these areas here. So when you sit the bag down, it kind of just sits like that. It is a very structured bag. It does not give. The bag, you can either carry it like this or you can pull it that way. I've attempted to wear it crossbody, which you can. You could wear it either way, which I love. I love the versatility of the bag. And I like that it has like this shoulder strap cushioning here. So when you're carrying it both ways, it does give you support on your shoulder. Look how shiny and beautiful it is. It has this leather case key ring with the St. Laurent name on the side. I really don't use that for anything, but I just keep it hanging. In the inside, so this is the inside. It is very large. Let me take this stuff out. It's huge in the inside. So you have 3 compartments, and then you have the inside and everything. I'm able to fit a large amount of items in here. Let's see. My wallet, which is huge. My wallet, hand sanitizer, wipes. Let's see what else I got here. On my phone, I don't know where my phone is. But even with that stuff in there, it's still a sizable amount of room. Now, on the back, there's another pocket here. You could probably fit your phone or something like that. And it has the clamps. It is a clamp closing, so it closes and snaps there. I love this bag because I feel like this bag is going to be one of the classic YSL bags that will be in their line for a long time. And I have been eyeing this bag for maybe about a year and a half, so I know it's one of their like classic pieces. So that's why I opted for this particular bag. So it definitely has longevity. With the bag, you can't go wrong. You can dress this up or you can wear it casually. That's why I love the versatility and how I can style the bag as well. The bag, because it is very structured and it is a large size, the bag can be heavy depending on what you put in it. I don't mind it as much. It doesn't bother me, but I did notice that with the chains and with everything that I can actually fit in the large size bag, it did become a little weighed down. When researching this bag, the first place I went to was YouTube. And when I came to YouTube, I found that there were not a lot of reviews here. So I figured I'd do this for my next girl who's looking for this particular bag, who wanted to get some insight about the Sunset bag. So with that being said, do I love it? Absolutely yes. Will it be in my wardrobe for a while? Absolutely yes. It is a gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love it. Availability for this bag was really scarce. Most retail or high-end retail stores, they do not carry the large. The Saint Laurent boutique actually carries the large. So this size is a rare size if you're shopping through like retail stores like Saks or Bergdorf or, you know, similar retailers like that. When I saw it online, I grabbed it immediately. Like I said, I was eyeing this bag for a while and I did not want to lose out on the opportunity to grab this bag up brand new. So yeah, look how beautiful that bag is. Look at the details on that. It is it is gorgeous. I'm in love. I'm so happy with my purchase. Comment down below and letting me know if you're in the market for the Saint Laurent Sunset bag and which color and finish are you looking for. All right guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, ciao.